You want to avoid the word you for anything that's negative. When we're talking about negative things, we want to try to take the you out, because we don't want to say you are a bad person, you are a bad worker, you did a bad job at the presentation. We want to talk about the work. So instead of saying you are always late, we say the workday starts at 9, and we've observed that you are showing up at 10:15. I'm not saying you're a bad person. I'm not calling you late. I'm presenting an observation. So it's a neutral sentence. Sure, it's in a negative context, but it's a neutral sentence. We want to keep the yous out of the negative sentence. So it's not you need to improve the presentation. It's the presentation needs to be improved. Or you need to do a better job. It's the work needs to produce a better result. Or you need to talk to that client in a nicer way. We say, here are the ways that we want to come across to our clients, or here are the things that we value with our clients. So when you're giving feedback or you're making suggestions for improvement, you're doing performance reviews, you want to make sure that you're not using the word you for anything that could be interpreted negatively.